Melvil Dewey Biography. How one library pioneer profoundly influenced modern librarianship. Melvil Dewey, 1851 to 1931, was an American librarian and educator best known for creating the Dewey Decimal Classification (DDC) system, a widely used method for organizing library collections. Melvil Louis Kossuth Dewey was born on December 10, 1851. Keenly interested in simplified spelling, he shortened his first name to Melvil as a young adult, dropped his middle names and, for a short time, even spelled his last name as Dewey. Here's a brief biography of Melvil Dewey. 1. Early life and education. Melvil Louis Kossuth Dewey was born on December 10, 1851, in Adams Center, New York, USA. He grew up in a strict and religious household and attended Amherst College in Massachusetts, where he developed an interest in library science. 2. Creation of the Dewey Decimal Classification. In 1876, while working as a student assistant in the college library, Dewey conceived the idea of a classification system that would organize library materials in a systematic and efficient manner. The result was the Dewey Decimal Classification System, first published in 1876. It categorizes knowledge into 10 main classes, each further divided into 10 divisions and, subsequently, into 10 sections. 3. Career in librarianship. Dewey served as the librarian at Amherst College from 1876 to 1883, where he implemented and refined his classification system. In 1883, he became the director of the New York State Library, a position he held until 1906. During his tenure, he continued to promote the use of the Dewey Decimal Classification. 4. Educational innovations. Dewey was a proponent of library education and played a significant role in establishing the first library school at Columbia College, now Columbia University, in 1887. He also founded the American Library Association, ALA, in 1876 and the Library Journal in 1876, both of which became influential in the field of library science. 5. Other achievements. Dewey was an advocate for spelling reform and simplified spelling. He proposed a set of spelling reforms, some of which gained acceptance but were not universally adopted. He was involved in various library and educational organizations, promoting standardization and professionalization within the field. 6. Controversies and legacy. Despite his contributions to library science, Dewey was not without controversy. He faced allegations of discrimination and inappropriate behavior, which led to his departure from the American Library Association. Despite controversies, the Dewey Decimal Classification System remains widely used in libraries around the world, and Dewey's contributions to library education and organization are acknowledged. Melvil Dewey passed away on December 26, 1931. While he left a lasting impact on library science through his classification system, his legacy is also marked by the controversies surrounding his personal conduct.